This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating essentials: an Azure subscription, appropriate RBAC permissions, and an automation account. Once those exist, create the Runbook resource and choose the type PowerShell for most tasks, Graph API for MS Graph calls. Make sure to import required modules and link a run as account or managed identity for authentication. Then open the editor and add a simple scaffold: parameters, logging, and error handling. This gives you an executable base to test immediately. You now build the core logic. Write idempotent code that validates parameters and handles transient failures. Use the test pane to run dry executions and inspect verbose streams. This reveals missing modules or permission errors early. Make sure to reference automation assets for credentials, connections, and variables instead of hard-coding secrets. If targeting on-premises resources, register a hybrid Runbook worker and test on that group. Once tests pass, clean up temporary data and prepare to publish. You finish by publishing the Runbook and connecting it to a schedule, webhook, or event trigger. Set concurrency limits and retry policies. Then enable diagnostics. Send job streams to log analytics, create activity log alerts, and tag runs for traceability. Monitor job histories and metrics to catch regressions. If things go wrong, start by inspecting the job output and exception details. Confirm required modules are imported. Verify the Runbook identity has rights, and ensure the correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.